Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add the crypto widget to iPhone home screen. It's actually very simple, so make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you are new. The first thing you want to do is have a bunch of apps, right? You want to have an exchange app like Bybit or Binance. I'll have a link for the exchanges in the description down below. And also you want TradingView based on the widgets you want. So you want to go and sign up using the link in the description down below. And then you want to download them from the App Store. So go on search, App Store or Google Play Store, type in TradingView because it has a little bit more things to be added, just like so, more pairs. You can also add Binance, Bybit, or whatever exchange you like. And then you want to hold your finger on your wallpaper, just like so, on your home screen. You want to click on the plus icon at the top right corner. And here, as you can see, I have different widgets, just like so. You want to type in TradingView. Click this, and you have 5 options of different pairs and widgets. You can have this one, like so. You can have TradingView. Let's add in another one. You can have this one, which is a little bit bigger, just like so. Let's remove the batteries widget. And you can also have ones from exchanges. For example, Binance, you can just have the BNB price. You can also have the Bybit for, let's say, Bitcoin's price. So you can have that very easily. And it's as simple as that. If you're still having any issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.